Apple vs. OpenAI. The AI hardware war has begun. What if the biggest battle in artificial intelligence is no longer about ChatGPT? What if the real war is about hardware, engineering talent, and trade secrets? Apple has asked a U.S. federal judge for an emergency injunction against OpenAI. Apple alleges that former employees improperly took confidential engineering information. OpenAI denies those allegations. No court has ruled on the facts. Regardless of the final outcome, one thing is already clear. The next generation of AI competition is moving beyond software. It is moving into hardware laboratories, manufacturing, supply chains, and federal courtrooms. Let's take a closer look. Chapter 1. A different kind of lawsuit. Technology companies sue each other all the time. Patent disputes, copyright disputes, and employment disputes are common. Apple says this case is different because it requested a preliminary injunction before trial. Apple argues that confidential engineering knowledge could become embedded in future hardware development if immediate action is not taken. Chapter 2. What Apple is alleging. According to Apple's court filings, former Apple engineer Chang Lu downloaded thousands of pages of confidential engineering documents. Apple says the documents involved display technology, power systems, architecture studies, manufacturing information, testing results, and unannounced hardware projects. Apple also names Yu-Ting, Alyssa Pang, and Tang Yutan in its complaint. OpenAI denies wrongdoing and says Apple's allegations misrepresent the facts. Those claims will now be examined in federal court. Chapter 3. Digital forensics. Apple is asking for digital forensic inspections of devices, cloud storage, email, Slack messages, and potentially deleted data. Modern investigations can often recover deleted files, synchronization records, access logs, timestamps, USB activity, and message history. Whether the court grants these requests remains unknown. Chapter 4. The real battle. This lawsuit is not only about ChatGPT. It is about AI hardware. Future competition will depend on chips, manufacturing, packaging, memory, power delivery, cooling, supply chains, and engineering talent. Chapter 5. Final thoughts. Apple has made serious allegations. OpenAI denies them. The court will decide the facts. Whatever the final judgment, one conclusion is already emerging. Artificial intelligence is becoming a competition over hardware as much as software. The next AI battle will be fought in hardware, laboratories, engineering teams, and federal courtrooms. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and join us again on Gate and Kernel.